everybody! So today I decided to do a what I eat in a day video. I'm going dancing tonight, and because I'm going to be out, I will be preparing my lunch, and I thought it would be helpful for you to see what I do to be prepared and have lots of yummy, healthy, nutritious, tummy-filling vegan food with me. And I'm also doing the 16/8 intermittent fasting, which is basically I eat within an 8-hour window. My window today is between 1 and 9, I think, or 1:30 to 9:30. But basically, it's about midday now, and I'm not going to be eating for a little while. But what I can do is prepare my lunch. So I've got some fresh basil that's going to go off if I don't use it. I wouldn't normally make fresh pesto, but because I've got this basil, I'm going to make some fresh pesto and make a nice pasta salad to take with me to dancing. So let's make my pasta salad. Here is all the ingredients I need for my pesto. There's some roasted garlic, basil, olive oil, nutritional yeast, sunflower seeds, because this is a nut-free pesto, so my sister can have it, and bit of olive oil, lemon juice, and I think that's it. And over here I've got a mix of black beans, sweet corn, and lentils, so this is like a protein mix basically, and I'm going to put that in the pasta salad too, maybe with some tomatoes if I'm feeling crazy, and with the pesto that I just made. So this is like not a boring pasta salad, guys. Everything's ready, so let's make our pasta salad. Okay, so that's added in there, and I'm going to add my mix. This is leftover tapenade with sun-dried tomatoes, onions, green olives, and I think that's it. I've also put in some orange tomatoes, and here's my pesto, and I'm going to give it a good mix. It's gone past 1 o'clock, so my fast is officially over. I can taste this pasta salad. Actually, full disclosure, so I'm really used to tasting my food as I cook it. I think that's just a normal thing that you should do when you cook, to make sure that everything's tasting good along the way. So I did have a little bit of the pesto before my fast officially broke, but hey, it's not going to kill me. I'm going to taste this pasta salad now. I can't wait to eat that later on. That's really good. That's really good. I'm happy days. My lunch is all sorted now. Got my pasta salad, some crisps, orange or tangerine or clementine or whatever, I don't know, doesn't matter. Anyway, an apple, one of these little Graze bars, it's chocolate and hazelnut. Wow, break, pretty good. And I made cupcakes yesterday, and I'm going to take some for some of the other dancers. Some of my friends are going to be there too, so I'm going to take them some cupcakes. I might not eat all of it, but it's better to take lots of snacks and to not eat the snacks that you've got than to find yourself really hungry, and particularly if you've just started going vegan, that's the time that you might cave and buy something that's convenient, like a sausage roll. So now that I'm all prepared for my lunch, and now that my fast has ended, I'm going to sort my breakfast out. Breakfast. After making that pasta salad and tasting it, kind of felt like something sweet for my breakfast, and I've got this is my favorite cereal. Let me show you. Oops, dropped it. This is my favorite cereal. It's got no artificial sweeteners in it, no added sugar. Granola, chocolate granola. There's flaxseed and chia seed, which I've put in there for my omega-3. Every time I have porridge or cereal, I'll put those in. Raspberries, and I got this peanut powder, and I'm not 100% sure how I'm supposed to be using it, but what I've liked doing is to just mix it with some plant milk and use it as peanut butter milk to put on things. That will be my breakfast. morning. So it's the next day and I was pretty tired after the dance yesterday. Sorry I didn't film much, but I managed to document the fact that even though I got back at like 11 o'clock at night and my window was well and truly closed, I was so hungry and I had some chips and half a pizza. I also ate at the dance a cupcake. I ended up eating only half of the pasta salad. It was quite a tricky day yesterday because when I was on the train and I had my mask on, I couldn't eat, and obviously I was dancing and I wasn't going to eat when I was dancing. So because there wasn't that much opportunity for me to actually eat any of the food and snacks that I had, I just didn't eat enough food and I just had to eat when I got home. I was also quite cold. It's getting colder, guys. It's September in England and the sun is going away. So I really wanted to come home and have a nice shower and have a bit of junk food. So that's what I did. Sorry, not sorry. It's nearly 1 o'clock and I'm going to kind of re-establish my window, and for me, as long as I'm fasting for at least 12 hours, then and it's okay to take a break too. You don't have to intermittent fast every single day. Some people just do Monday to Friday. Ordinarily I probably wouldn't have had the pizza and chips. I would have just had the pasta salad, and then it was an odd day. But now you know what I do when I know that I'm out and about and what kind of snacks pop into my head to throw into my bag. I woke up early this morning and I did some dancing and it was glorious, but it's taken it out of me and I need some food in me. So I'm going to go and eat. But it's a brand new day, so I'm not going to tell you. You don't get to know. And I will see you soon. Bye! Give that like button a hit and subscribe to the Vegan Brit.